Really.
Did you know that there's over 150,000 loan officers in the country? Meaning you could choose so many different people to work with. And so I think it's really important that people understand over the last few years, a lot of loan officers have been able to be absolute order takers. So, what does it look like as you're selecting a loan officer for you? It is so important that you realize there's over 25 people who could hinder you closing on time, mess up something in your transaction, all of that. You really need a loan officer who's going to be the captain of your team, try and put you in the loan that is going to get you the best chance of building wealth for your family, who's going to manage the transaction, make sure you actually close on time, but most importantly, make sure you actually get an accepted offer. If your loan officer isn't available evenings, weekends to send pre-approval letters, call a listing agent, help negotiate and get ahead and make your offer stand apart, that's a huge miss and you've aligned yourself with the wrong person. If you're interested in a second opinion or want to learn more about how our team can help, please reach out. We'd love to have a conversation.